Common sense affiliate marketing tips. Affiliate marketing is a very popular topic in the make money online niche. Many new people to the game get lured into thinking that you just find a good product that converts well, post a couple of links on your Facebook profile, and you make a truckload of money. That would be great in theory, and it will work if you have an engaged following of friends on your Facebook profile, but what's the new person to do if they have no audience to market these great affiliate products to? I say start by creating an audience of faithful followers before you can promote any products to them. First, create a website with posts on subjects that people want to learn about in your niche. You need to take a little time on this, but it's worth it. Most people won't even consider buying a product from someone that doesn't even have a website. It builds credibility, my friend. Next, create a lead magnet. What is a lead magnet, you ask? It's a short report about a hot topic in your niche. The trick is to make it interesting enough so visitors to your website are willing to trade their name and email address for the report. If you have questions on how to do this, use Google, YouTube, forums in your niche, or Facebook groups in your niche for guidance. Next, join 5 Facebook groups in your niche and be a part of the scene. Give good advice in your posts, and when people react and comment, friend request them. You see what we're doing here? We're building an engaging audience on Facebook and an email list of people who care about what you have to say. Eventually, some will buy the affiliate products that you endorse. Just make sure you give more than you receive. When you have built up a large enough following that care about what you have to say and they know and trust you, start looking for products to promote. Make sure you get a review copy before you promote. The product must be worth the price you're asking, or else nobody will buy, and eventually you'll ruin your audience. Next, create 3 or 4 bonuses to give away as bribes or enticements for your audience to buy from you instead of someone else. Many online marketers use PLR to create bonuses. Again, if you're unsure how to do this, use Google, YouTube, forums, and Facebook groups for your research. Next, send a series of emails to your list promoting the product. Many times the product launcher will have an email swipe free to use. Make sure you tweak the emails so they're in your language. Nobody knows your list better than you, so take a few minutes to do this task. Then post on your Facebook profile, your fan page, and any Facebook groups you can promoting the product. When posting in Facebook groups, make sure to read the rules of the group before posting. Many Facebook group owners won't allow you to promote products in their group, so don't skip reading the rules before you post. Next, promote on any other social media platforms that you belong to, such as Twitter and YouTube. The best advice I can give when promoting affiliate offers is to protect your audience. Make sure you have their best interest in mind every time you decide to promote. Good luck.